BNSF Intermodal heading north out of the Cajon Pass, main track 1. Got a Norfolk Southern and 2 EMDs. And right up there, if you see the headlights, got another one heading south into the Cajon Pass. You got a Union Pacific heading south into the pass. There it goes right there behind this one. There we go. Union Pacific manifest. The Cajon Pass is just a few miles over that way. He's on main track 2. We got a Curve Guide 2-for-1 special going for you. Empty tank cars that look like some grain carts. Got some coil cars, got a flat car with steel I-beams, more coil cars. I think these tank cars are all empty. I don't see any placards on them. And we got some gondolas. I don't know if those are full or empty, can't tell. There you can see the end coming. So as this approaches, I'm going to say thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, drop a question and I'll try to answer it for you. And I'll see you on my next video.